Simpson is an engineering company. We specialize in providing large capital equipment.
We're unique in that we can provide a customer a one-stop shop for a complete sand preparation system.
Everyone's super friendly here. Everyone's willing to help out with ideas. All the time I'm bouncing ideas off of the guys that sit next to me. I just, over the wall, hey, what do you think about this? What do you think about that?
There's also a good mix of seasoned veterans. Here, guys have been in the industry for 40 plus years and some people in the middle and then now obviously a youth movement going on also. So really good knowledge base to draw on and people are very helpful.
It's always a good thing to come to work and work with people that you actually enjoy working with.
There's not a lot of corporate bureaucracy, which is nice. We're willing to help each other out and just make each other's day easier.
All your refreshments are free during the day, so you got soda, coffee, water.
Yeah, we played bags today at lunch. We got a nice foosball table in the break room. We've got an Xbox that sometimes people play. We like to have a good time here.
Simpson has afforded me the opportunity to see the world, which I would never have done. I've been India, I've been in China.
Spent a few days sightseeing. We went to Hiroshima, which was very humbling to see.
I had the chance to visit a few customers in Germany as well, Fritz Winter, Metzger, and a couple others as well, and working with the staff that we have in Germany and Switzerland.
Without being here, that would never have, really never would have occurred.
Each week's a little bit different. It's not just selling equipment, it's taking care of the customer.
And one of the best benefits I've received, other than the people and making lifelong friends, is that I'm able to go back and get my MBA. It's a great perk to have tuition reimbursement.
I started off as an intern here for 4 summers, and I decided to continue on with Simpson full-time, in part because of the engineering opportunities that they have here and the ability to pursue what I like to do as far as design and engineering.
There's no average work day at Simpson, which is one of the benefits of working at Simpson.
Typical day here at Simpson is never a dull moment.
You might be working on an assembly for the whole day or a couple days, however long it takes to get it done, but in the grand scheme of things, trying to get projects done and out the door 100% correct is my end goal.
If you're into traveling the world, working with interesting people, and helping make some great products, Simpson is the place where you want to be.